guys, I'm Surbi and today I'll show you how to draw the viral mandala from beginning. So if you are a beginner, keep watching because I'll be explaining everything in this video. So the materials you need to draw the mandala are very simple. First you need a paper which should be above 80 pen 80 GSM, and then you need a compass, a pencil, a razor, and you need a black gel pen. You don't need any fancy fineliners. You can start with a gel pen, so a black gel pen, and that's it. You don't need anything else. So now let's begin. First thing we will do is to draw a circle, and radius of this circle is 4 centimeter. So draw a circle of 4 centimeter. And then we will draw another circle just a little distance away from the circle. And now after drawing both of these circles, we will make designs in this circle. So make some flowers like this with a pencil. Make some small flowers. And then make designs like this. And also make some leaves here. We will make flowers and designs like this in the whole circle. So make some small flowers and draw flowers like this in all the circle, and also petals, these leaves. And here we will make just a leaf. We will also make some leaves here in this place. And then we will make some small little circles in all this circle. And after doing all this, we will make these flowers with pen. We will underline these with a black gel pen. So now let's underline all these designs, these flowers, these petals. Underline everything like this. We will underline all the designs with a gel pen. After drawing all of these designs, we will make some small circles like this all over. So make some circles like this. These circles will make our drawing look so much better. And after making these circles, we will make these two circles with pen. So underline these circles with pen. And now we will fill this space in this circle, the leftover space, with this black gel pen, or you can use a black sketch color or anything else. So fill all this place with black gel pen completely. So we will fill this with our black gel pen. Completing this with black, make one more circle at a radius of 5 cm. So take a radius of 5 cm and draw one more circle. And now make one more circle just a little away of this circle, like this. And now we will draw rounded petal in this circle. In this whole circle we will draw rounded petals. So draw some rounded petals in this whole circle, like this. And then we will make a design in this. Just this simple design in all the rounded petals. So draw some rounded petals and make a design like this. We will continue this pattern in all this row. After drawing all of these petals, we will fill this cap with black, just like this. Fill this cap between two petals with black pen. we will fill this gap. And now we will make this circle with black pen. So now our viral mandala is completed in a beginner friendly method. If you find this video helpful, tell me in the comments. And if you want, you can also add some more rows in this and make some simple patterns. But I don't want to make it more complicated so that beginners can follow this easily. And tell me in the comments if what kind of tutorials you want next. And thanks for watching.